How's it going, guys? This is David from the tacticaldriver.com, and today I'm going to show you how to earn more money using an app called Gridwise. Alright, so let's go into the app. Alright, so we're in the app right here. This is from the Google Play Store. You should be able to find it on Apple and iOS, whatever they call it on the iPhone, Apple Store, whatever. Okay, so Gridwise, the #1 assistant for ride sharing. So this is, I already have it. You sign in. At the top right here near your picture, there's like a little tracking your shifts on and off, then how many trips you took, the amount, and it's kind of like, it gives you a nice organized structure. Up here you pick the cities: San Diego, Los Angeles, the market. This little thing is just this little sidebar. You could change it, drag it over here. Where did I left off? The bell notification. Okay, so here you get little alerts. They'll come up in your regular, here in your notification center, whatever they call it. Events. This is the important thing about this app, is here the next event coming up section. So like for this, San Jose State at San Diego State in our Viejas Arena. So what I do is, see how it's from 12, starts at 12, ends at 3, right here. Can I get more info? Okay, so we get the address down here. For what I do though, go into Waze, open a Waze, and we're gonna go into, see, I already saved it, but for you it would be Viejas. Let's see, here it is. And what I do is go to later at the bottom. Let me go back, in case you can see it, but right here on my bottom left of the screen, and I have to be there at 2:30, just to be 30 minutes early before everybody starts rushing out. That way you're completely set and traffic starts blowing up. And I want to be there at 2:30, so I gotta leave by 2:18. Oh, depending on where you're at in the location. And then you save it. I already saved it. I don't want to save it again. And so you'll get notified about the app when it's time to go, depending on the location where you're at. So back to Gridwise. Go back to the main. And I do the same for this one too. Wait, did I? Well, you just keep saving them at the same process what I did. Gridwise Plus, that's you're gonna pay a little extra for the premium features. Here we got the calendars of the events per weekly, which is pretty cool. So you could, on Sunday night, just save all these to your phone. That way you have a routine going. Here, this is my favorite one. So the airplane is gonna look like this. See those little bars? Where that means are the peaks. So the best time to go to the airport would be during these times where you see the peaks. The gray one is people that are going into the airport. So like if you hang around at the hotels during this time, or like 2 hours, they gotta check in at least 2 to 1 hour. You'll be set. You'll be taking people to the airport, and hopefully they're using Uber. So when you drop them off, you get a queue back again instead of going back to the airport queue. So that's what I do. When it's peak hours like this, I just hang around the airport area, and I go to the hotels. They're near the airport, because one of them was gonna bring me in to the airport and then take me out. Okay, so yeah, that's how you use the peak hours. These are like benefits where you could earn more or get deals, discounts. See, like Gridwise, Gridwise, they promise you'll make at least 300 extra more a week. I got in like 200, so it's kind of like hit or miss. It depends how much, how do you set it up. You gotta be tactical. That's what we do here at the channel, the Tactical Driver. Financing for student loans, leasing your car when you're on vacation, car cover income protection, insurance, damage repairs. Sometimes they got good stuff, like I saw a cargo box, and like you were handing out water for free, and then you get a commission. And this is your earning reports. Mine are blank. I haven't really added any data in here because I used an Excel sheet. But yeah, I think I'm gonna start using this app. But yeah, I want to show you guys this app and see how it works. Okay, so I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching, and peace.